In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Notion account from all devices. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, misplaced a phone, or just want a clean slate, logging out of every device at once is a quick way to secure your workspace. I'll walk you through it from the web, so open your browser and go to notion.com. On the home page, look toward the top right and click Log In. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option. A Google window will appear. Select the Google account you use for Notion. If you normally sign in with a different method, that's fine. Use your usual login and then continue with the steps that follow. Once you're in your Notion workspace, find the workspace name near the top of the left sidebar. There's a small drop-down next to it. Click that drop-down to open Workspace Options, then choose Settings. This opens the Settings window for your account and workspace. In the Settings panel, click your name or open the Account section to view your personal account details. Inside the account view, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see a section that lists the devices and sessions currently signed in to your Notion account. It may show web sessions, desktop apps, and mobile devices, often with information like the browser, operating system, and the time they were last active. Take a moment to scan the list so you recognize what's there. When you're ready to sign out everywhere, click Log Out of all devices. If a confirmation pops up, confirm to proceed. Notion will immediately invalidate the active sessions shown in that list. That means you'll be signed out on other computers, browsers, and phones, and you'll need to sign back in the next time you open Notion on those devices. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you're doing this because a device was lost or you noticed unusual activity, consider changing your account password and reviewing your connected logins after you log back in. Also, if you use multiple workspaces under the same account, this action covers all of them on that account, so you don't have to repeat the process for each workspace. Finally, remember that after logging out everywhere, any offline changes on other devices won't sync until you sign in again. And that's it. You've securely logged your Notion account out of all devices in just a few clicks.